little fox.
Journey to the West, Chapter 2, The Waterfall Cave. Monkey splashed through the waterfall and landed in a large cave. His eyes opened wide. The cave was filled with bamboo, trees, and beautiful flowers. Moss covered the walls. A stream flowed through the cave, and glowing light and mist filled the air. Monkey found a long table with bowls, cups, and plates. A fireplace sat against one wall. Deeper in the cave, Monkey found bedrooms with cozy beds. Outside, the other monkeys and apes were looking at the waterfall.
Do you think he made it through?
Asked one monkey.
No,
Said another monkey.
he probably got washed away down the river.
Suddenly, splash! Monkey shot out of the waterfall and landed in front of the group. "You're alive," said the monkey. Monkey laughed.
Yes, and we are very lucky. I found a perfect home for all of us. Follow me.
Monkey jumped back through the water. Some of the monkeys scratched their heads.
It still looks dangerous,
Said one monkey.
Let's go.
Said the gibbon. He leaped through the waterfall. After that, another monkey jumped through. Then some more jumped. Soon, all of the monkeys and apes were in the cave. Everyone ran around to see all the wonderful things,
This cave is beautiful.
said the gibbon. Some of the monkeys and apes began fighting and arguing. They grabbed plates and bowls from one another. Others fought over the bedrooms.
I saw this bed first.
Yelled one monkey.
No,
Yelled another monkey.
I did.
Monkey watched his friends for a moment and then folded his arms. He called. All the monkeys and apes stopped what they were doing. They looked at Monkey.
I found this cave for us.
Said Monkey.
That means I am now your king. Why aren't you bowing to me?
He's right.
Said the gibbon. He bowed to Monkey and said,
All hail the Monkey King.
everyone else bowed too.
All hail the Monkey King!
They shouted. Many years went by. During the day, the monkeys and apes played in the forest and the stream. And every night they slept safely in their cave. One night, the monkeys and apes had a huge feast. Fruits and nuts covered the table. Monkeys and apes danced and sang while music played. Monkey sat on his throne and smiled. But then his smile faded. Soon he was frowning. The gibbon saw Monkey and rushed over.
Your Majesty,
Said the gibbon.
you look sad. What's wrong?
Monkey sighed.
Our life here is perfect.
Yes, that's true.
Said the gibbon.
So why are you sad?
Monkey was quiet for a moment. Then he said,
Someday our lives will end. I wish this perfect life could last forever.
The gibbon's eyes lit up.
Oh?
He said,
You want to live forever?
I do.
Said Monkey. The gibbon rubbed his chin.
Then you must study with a sage. Sages are very wise people. They can turn themselves into other animals. They can fly through the sky. And they know how to live forever.
Monkey smiled again.
Where can I find a sage?
He asked.
You must find a land with people.
Said the gibbon.
That's where you'll find a sage.
The next morning, Monkey built a raft and loaded food onto it. He pushed the raft into the stream and jumped on. As the raft began to float away, Monkey waved to his friends.
Don't worry!
He called.
After I learn how to live forever, I will return!
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.